do in a few minutes.
Guys, what song do you want to blast when we're riding next to them? Pace car. All of them?
All right, we are just about 2 miles in. We finally hit a slightly, is this level?
Yeah.
Feels level, still 8%. It's been, there are sections that are just,
I would have told you it's flat.
they knock you out, but this is a super chill event. There are just people doing their own speed. Everyone's saying good morning. The road is fantastic. The morning, I don't know if you can tell, oh, here we go, 2 mile parking spot here. So everyone's saying hello, everyone's being really kind. I mean, apart from the fact that it's difficult, there isn't much more you could ask for. I don't know how much more I'll be able to film because it's gonna go up like that again. You might not be able to tell, but there are obviously these ramps, right? We're at like 8% right now, and then it's gonna be 14, 15 again. But 2 miles in, we gotta just pace ourselves, stay within ourselves, and enjoy it.
Gel here.
Yeah.
From this section of.
All right, so we are just about halfway, and it's not getting easier. But
We're in the groove, though.
we're in the groove, right? Yeah.
I got over that slump from not enough calories, not enough sleep. Back to normal now. We'll see you in another mile.
Yeah. There are little breaks in the trees, not a ton of views. There was just that little pull off, but the sun is rising, birds are chirping. I mean, come on.
The wind is not whipping. Rather clean. Let's see once we get out of the tree line. But I don't suspect it'll be too bad.
Let's see, status check. I don't know if you can see that. Just over 4 miles, just over an hour in, and we are starting to get above the main tree line. Holy crap. That is special. Oh, you can see the center.
Shows how nice the day is. No one is rushing off the summit.
Yeah. So we finished successfully from about mile 5 3/4 to the end, 7.5. It was pretty exposed and pretty windy. And then let me show you something. There's a guy finishing right now. We are at the top weather center, and you come around what he just had to dismount for a second. You come around the normal kind of 15-16%, and then you end up with this absolutely outrageous, it kicks up to like 20% up through there, and then you have to turn right and you climb up along these rocks and then up to the actual center. So you end at that white house up there, and it doesn't look like much from here, but at the end of that, it puts you in the hurt box. And honestly, in terms of legs, my legs were okay. It was more just the body shape the whole way up. You're in a pretty limited set of positions, and it's just relentless. But we're done, and it was a beautiful day. That's my report for the 2022 Early Bird Mount Washington Auto Road Bicycle Hill Climb. Thanks for watching.